Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. Bad update yesterday. Unfortunately, we were not able to get the bear trap completed, which we talked about earlier. In the way that if you did not watch my previous videos, what we said is that we had a strong support level here around 37.5 and 38 cents, and what we said is that it's a possibility that we drop down below that level, but then that could be a bear trap where we actually get a reclaim back above that level, but that would need to come from this here, from this support level, and that we can actually get a move like this. Unfortunately, though, what happened yesterday, and that was already quite apparent yesterday during the start of the US session, what became apparent is that there was not any relief coming in from the US session, right? On the opposite side of the spectrum, no, there was actually continued selling pressure. Like if you take a look at the stock markets, even today, today the stock markets are again dropping down quite relentlessly. So stock markets, but also Bitcoin specifically, a lot of bearish pressure came in, and that spoiled the fun for altcoins, because that meant that there was no bear trap. So that turned this move we had on Wednesday already after the FOMC. It turned into a bearish breakout, right? And that is the situation right now. If you look at the daily time frame here, this is bearish. And Dogecoin, I think not only on the lower time frames, but also on the higher time frames, unexpectedly, may I say, turn into a bearish chart. So right now, what we're doing is we're looking for a bottom, and we are at a strong support level right here at 29.5 and 28 cents. That could be the bottom, but right now the thing is if we're looking for a bottom, the main thing we're waiting for is some sort of bullish confirmation, right? So the main two levels I'm looking at right now, main three levels kind of, because it's a very big level under us, but that would be this level right here. But the main two levels, let's keep it a little bit shorter. The main two levels I'm looking at right now for a potential bottom of Dogecoin is the level we're at right now, so between 30 cents and 27.5 cents, which are two strong psychological support levels. It's also historically a tested level, as you can see, especially around 28 cents, which we have not dropped down to. And you also have the 0.5 fib of the entire move up. So this could be the bottom. And then the other level I'm looking at is this level right here between 22.5 and 25 cents, which again is also a strong psychological support level. Has the 0.618 fib, which is a little bit stronger, and is historically a strong support level just in general on the weekly time frame, and has the 200 EMA. The 100 EMA is a little bit higher. So those could be the two bottoms. At the moment, it's just impossible to really assess which one it's going to be. If we look at the lower time frames here, the thing is that it just, like, this looks like a solid bottom, right? We still have quite a lot of support from 30 cents all the way down into 28 cents. So you'd say, if you take a look at this right now, you'd say, well, that's fine. We can actually hold that, and then from here we'll consolidate, and then from that consolidation we'll see whether we can actually get a new move up. And that is a possibility, but it just, again, similar to yesterday, just again depends a lot on what the US does. Most of the big dumps we had, not only yesterday, but also on Wednesday, were during the US session. So today, if we see the US opening and a ton of strong selling coming in again, and the main thing to look at for that is the S&P 500, are the stock markets. If this continues to be bearish, and if we do not see any relief in the capital markets, Dogecoin will drop down lower, regardless of how much support we have. So for now, I would say yes, this is going to be the bottom. This is going to be a strong enough support between 30 and 28 cents. But like I said, keep your eyes on that US opening. If that continues to be bearish, we'll drop down to 22.5 and 25 cents easily. So be prepared for those. I would stay away from trading in general a bit right now. But those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know on Dogecoin for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.